Welcome to RX Auto Reviews. Today we're taking a look at the 2025 GMC Savana 1500, a full-size van that continues to deliver solid utility, classic design, and dependable performance for businesses and large families alike. The exterior of the 2025 Savana 1500 remains familiar, keeping its boxy and functional silhouette that prioritizes practicality over flash. Up front, it features a bold GMC grille, halogen headlights, and a simple yet sturdy bumper design. Its large sliding side doors and rear cargo doors offer easy access, making it ideal for commercial use or passenger transport. Though it doesn't sport flashy styling, its rugged and purposeful appearance still holds strong appeal for fleet buyers and work-focused users. Inside, the Savana is all about function. The cabin is straightforward, with durable materials and easy-to-clean surfaces. The layout is intuitive, with large knobs and controls designed for quick access, even with gloves on. Seating can be configured for 2 passengers in cargo trims or up to 12 in passenger variants. There's decent headroom and legroom, especially in the front, and the dashboard now includes an updated infotainment system with a 7-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth connectivity, and optional navigation. Under the hood, the 2025 GMC Savana 1500 offers a 4.3-liter V6 engine producing 276 horsepower, or an optional 6.6-liter V8 with 401 horsepower for those needing more power. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, while all-wheel drive is available. It's built for towing and hauling, with a maximum towing capacity around 7,000 pounds, making it a dependable workhorse. Pricing for the 2025 GMC Savana 1500 starts at approximately $40,000 for base cargo models, with passenger versions costing more depending on configuration and options. Thanks for watching RX Auto Reviews. Be sure to like and subscribe for more honest vehicle reviews.